let's get ready for bed.
Can we just watch till the next commercial? Come on.
I don't like it when you boys watch stuff like that before bed, okay? So let's go, come on.
It's not real, Mom. It's okay if it's not real.
Do you believe in evil? Something otherworldly?
Yes. You don't stop evil. You can only protect yourself from it.
I'm worried about Dylan.
Why?
He's just different.
I have something to show you.
There are references to Bagul across all cultures. Some believe that it fed off of the corruption of innocence.
Children, have you ever met the bogeyman before? No, of course you haven't, for you're much too good, I'm sure. Hush, hush, bogeyman.
There are always three things in common. There's a murdered family, a house, and some form of offering. What does she say? It's coordinates to where? A farm, where an entire family was murdered.
Nobody ever comes out here. That was terrible what happened.
It's the kids. He gets the kids.
This one's mine.
Your family's in danger.
Why?
He's gonna hurt us.
I won't let that happen.
Hush, hush, hush. Here comes the bogeyman. Don't let him come too close to you. He'll catch you if he can. He'll catch you if he